no matter what you create your models from, and what construction set you use to create your models. You have to know about the different kinds of mechanisms, how they work and what their uses are. I have to learn about it too. So let's learn it together. Gear trains are used for changing the rotational speed. They are made up of two gears that engage with one another. Let's create a model to test out how they work. Our model consists of 3 motors with a flag on each one. The first motor doesn't have any gears. The second one has a gear train that increases its speed. And the third one has a gear train that reduces the speed. To change the speed, we use gears of different sizes that have different number of teeth. The gear that is fixed on the motor shaft is called the driving gear, and the one that engages with it is called driven. So in the first case, we fix the bigger gear on the motor shaft and the smaller one on the other shaft. We do the other way round in the second case. I wonder which of the flags will rotate quicker and which will rotate slower, as the motors rotate with the same speed. Let's turn it on. What do you see? The yellow one is the quickest, the red one is in the middle, and the green one is the slowest. So we achieved the biggest speed when the driving gear was bigger than the driven one. The least speed was achieved when the driving gear was smaller than the driven gear. The flag without a gear train had the middle speed. I still have some questions though. Where is the speed change used and what for? How would the speed change if the gears were the same size? Write your ideas down in the comments below. I look forward to your help with the questions. Ask your questions, and we will be looking for answers cooperatively. Thanks for being with me. Let's make the world more fun together. Like the video and subscribe. I need your support.